So hello friends and welcome back again. Today we are going to continue physics itself, but today we are starting derived. So before starting, I would like to tell that if you are new to my YouTube channel, then kindly subscribe, and if you like my videos, then press the like button. So now moving forward, we are today doing first derived. There are total 3 equations of motion, and the first one is v is equals to u plus at. So we have to derive that how this equation came. How does this equation came? That is called derived. So this is final velocity is equals to initial velocity plus acceleration into time. So this is what it is, but how it came, that we have to derive from this graph. This is the graph from which all the three formulas of motion came. This is the graph. See here, it's a trapezium, A, B, C and O. It's a trapezium. Then A, B, C, O is a rectangle. EBDA, it is also a rectangle. Now AO is U. See, this side it's velocity and this side it's time. AO is U, means initial velocity, and BC is V, means final velocity. So now how this formula came from this equation, that we have to derive. So first let's take here BC here. See, this is called BC, right? Now BC here can be written, this BC can be written as BD upon DC, because this line bisects BC into two equal halves, and the two equal halves are BD and DC. See here, BC is equals to BD plus DC. Now see, this is what came. This is whole BC, and it can be written as BD plus DC, because these both are parts of this. So now BC, see here, V means final velocity. BC here is final velocity. BC here is final velocity. So we will write here final velocity is equal to BD will remain itself as it is, because here there is nothing given. Here see, AO is given U, here DC will be U, because opposite sides of rectangle are equal. Opposite sides of rectangle are equal and same. So this is U, so this will be U also. So here we will write U, but there is nothing given here. This is also a rectangle, but there is nothing given here. So this will remain BD as it is. So here our equation number 1 came. Here our equation number 1 came. Not this equation, it's still U, and here it is V. V and U are there. Now how to get this AT? So for that you will have to find acceleration. Acceleration, how to find acceleration in this graph? That acceleration A is equal to slope of ABD. Acceleration A is equal to slope of ABD. Let me write here, acceleration A is equal to slope of A, B and B. So what will be the slope? Means slope, what is slope of ABD? So slope of ABD is that BD upon AD. Here we will write BD upon AD. This is what slope of ABD is. So now I hope you understood this process. It is actually complicated to understand at first time, so try to watch this with very high level concentration, because it is very important. So now moving forward, slope of ABD is BD and AD, BD upon AD. So now what is AD? See, OC is time, so AD will be time itself, because this is a triangle, this is a triangle, and the opposite sides of triangles are equal. So OC is time and AD is opposite to OC, that's why AD will also be time. So here we can write it as BD upon T. Here it came. Now we have to find BD itself. Here BD is there, here BD is there. BD should be 80. BD should be 80. T is here. But now what will we do? We will do here cross multiplication. Cross multiplication will be this. See, A is equals to BD upon T, and here nothing is there, so 1. Now this will be a cross multiplication, that will be A into T. See, let me write here. A into T is 80 equal to BD into 1 is BD. Here came second equation. This was our first equation, this is our second equation, that BD is equal to 80. Here came BD is equal to 80. Now we will write from 1 and 2. Here we have written from 1 and 2, means from equation 1 and equation 2. You have to write these steps, you have to do is just as it is right now. This is the method to find V is equal to U plus 80. So now from 1 and 2, V is equal to U plus 80 is there. Here we have written V BD plus U. Now BD is equal to 80. So here we will write V is equals to 80 plus U, and that will itself V is equals to U plus 80. Why we changed? We already know, it was in the basic standards that 80, let's say 80 is 4 and U is 4, then 4 plus 4 is 8 and 4 plus 4 is 8. Nothing is going to change. So that's why if the sign is positive, then you can change and actually swap them. But if the sign is negative here, then you cannot swap. Then we cannot swap this. So here the sign is positive, so we swap. So this is how to derive a equation. Remember, there are 3 equations of motion. This is the first one, and all the 3 equations will be derived from this graph itself. Here it's a trapezium, here it's a rectangle, here it's a rectangle, here this whole is V, and here it's U, it's time, and this is velocity. This is the whole graph, and this is the whole derived. It is called derived. You will be asked a question that derive V is equals to U plus 80, and then you will have to draw this diagram own self. Maybe this diagram will not be given in question. You will have to memorize the diagram also itself. You will have to draw this, then you have to derive this whole. So I hope you understood how to derive V is equals to U plus 80. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, then press the like button. If you have any suggestions, if you have any problem, if you want a video on a specific topic, then you can share your thoughts, you can share your ideas in form of comments, or else you can reach me out at my email ID, which I have provided in the description box. Thanks for watching and goodbye.